This UV light is fantastic. There is an ozone piece to this, which just makes it highly effective if you are trying to purify the air. This is fantastic whether you are using this at home. This is such a sleek fluorescent design. There is a 38-watt lamp in here, and it boosts a 99.9% sanitation. So this truly does work. I want to stress that you do not want to be in the room when you turn this on. You want to ensure that this is on and no one steps foot in there because it can be extremely harmful to your eyes. This is like a UV lamp. So I typically like to open a window when I am using this because it can give off a little bit of an odor, but it seriously works so well. I know people that have worked in a hospital and they come home and use this just to disinfect their house because there's no telling what they are bringing home. Or if you just have pesky mold built up in your home, this is such a great feature. I absolutely love that it comes with a remote as well because you can set this up, leave the room, and then turn it on. You can set a timer. So this truly is a fantastic disinfecting tool. This is strong enough to sanitize a bedroom, a living room, you name it. So overall, my favorite features to this is the ozone feature. Not all sanitation lamps have that feature to it. It is sleek, it is small, so it takes up minimal space on your dresser or wherever you are setting this. So I cannot recommend it enough.